Welcome to the Capital How-To video series. This is Tim, a field service technician responsible for diagnosing and repairing electrical systems across complex products like aircrafts, vehicles, industrial equipment, and facility systems where fast access to accurate wiring information reduces downtime and keeps operations safe and compliant. As a service technician, I need to quickly locate and understand electrical components across complex systems. Capital Service Explorer gives me everything I need in one navigational panel. Let me navigate to a wiring diagram for the power distribution subsystem. These diagrams are fully interactive. When I select a wire, I instantly see its attributes, gauge, name, and label. I can jump to the harness diagram to see exactly how that wire is routed from connector to connector. When I select a device, I can see which subsystems it belongs to. Sensors, controls, power, and communications all interconnected. What's really powerful is the location view. I can see exactly where components are positioned within the product or installation. For connectors, I can open 3D views that highlight the exact connector location within the harness. And when I need to verify connections, the connector end view shows me the pin layout for continuity or signal checks. Everything is linked and easy to navigate. With Capital, I was able to access all electrical system information from one place, streamlining diagnostics, reducing downtime, and simplifying safety and compliance documentation across industries. Curious how Capital further enhances my workflow? Catch the full series now on YouTube.